previous question we showed that the horizontal component of force is equal to 37.5, right? And in this question they are actually giving us an idea about the vertical component. They are saying the vertical component is equal to the vertical component of force on each hinge on the door is equal to half of the weight on the door. So we can calculate the weight on the door because the mass on the door is given, that is mass is equal to 14.4. So 14.4 times 9.8, we will get the value for the weight. So when we are calculating it, we will get a value 141.26. 141.26. Okay, so you can take half of that value, that is 141.26 over 2, that will be equal to 17.6, right? You are going to get 17.6. So vertical component of force in each hinge is equal to 17.6. So we will get this is the vertical component and this is the horizontal component. So if we know the vertical and horizontal component for a vector, then we can find that vector using the Pythagoras theorem. So this is our vector, force vector, and we already know the value for the horizontal component, that is equal to 37.5, and we know the vertical component also. So we can draw it like this, more towards the vertical, right? Okay. So this is the vertical component, that is equal to 17.6. So here we can use Pythagoras theorem. So you can think like, if you have any difficulty with doing it, you can think like this. Rather than doing that 17.6 on that side, I can draw the 17.6, the vertical component right here. So then it is like a right angle triangle, right? So what I have to find, this force is the thing that I have to find, that is basically the hypotenuse of the triangle. So I can do like base square plus altitude square. So here we will find the resultant force, like force is equal to root of 37.5 square plus 17.6 square. So you are going to get the value for resultant force. Now the other thing that we need is the angle theta. This angle we have to find. This angle theta is what we have to find. So here we can take like this, opposite side divided by adjacent side. So if you want to, you can construct a triangle. Here it is easy if you are constructing a triangle like this. So rather than drawing this horizontal component of the force right there, we can draw the horizontal component of force like this. So this is the horizontal component of force. So that is equal to 37.5, and we have to find out this angle theta. So that will be opposite side divided by adjacent side. So we can use the equation tan theta is equal to 37.5, that is the opposite side, divided by adjacent side is 17.6. So theta will be equal to tan inverse of this value, 37.5 divided by 17.6. So you will get the value for theta when you are doing the calculation.